Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase Mate back with another video. In today's video, we are talking about an update on my Ember app, specifically talking about Bitcoin. If you don't know what it is, let me introduce y'all what it is. So basically, once you sign up, it's tap to start earning Bitcoin. Your mining will stop after 24 hours, after which you will no longer be earning Bitcoin. To continue earning, revisit the app and turn it back on. Boost your rate by investing in a portfolio or referring a friend to Ember using your referral link. For each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour while you both are earning simultaneously. Please note you aren't mining Bitcoin on a device with your device computing power. Instead, Ember's Bitcoin mining rewards program is a fun way to earn Satoshis when you open the app every day. Also note, users aren't allowed to refer themselves, one account per person. So you might be wondering, okay, I need to jump on board on this. So as I log in to my Ember account, as you can see that I am invested. But let's go back to how can you earn if you don't have this already, or if you do already have it. So it said that with each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour. So once you sign up using my link, there's an access code that you can enter. And I also have it in the description down below. Once you enter in that access code, you become part of Chaseway membership, basically, or you become one of my referrals. And once you start earning Satoshis. And once you click boost, you get to see everybody that's part of your team. These are all the people that are part of my team. And currently, I need to upload my... Hold on 1 second. I know it sounds like I'm far away, but I got to turn on my tablet so that way I can get my extra 2.5. Now, you can use multiple emails, so that way you can start earning more. So I have one on my tablet. So if you have like a tablet or multiple phones, I would say use your Apple or Hotmail or Gmail account. So that way you can get that extra 2.5. Signing into my Ember account on my tablet right now. All right. I just started earning. When I go back, you're going to see I'm earning $30 an hour now. Oh, we got somebody that's new. Let me see who's new. RE's. Whoever is new, thank you for joining Driver Squad. Ember, everybody is on the board with this. Now, something that I did want to talk to everybody about. I seen this. It said invest $25 and earn $25. So that means activate a $25 airdrop when you deposit $250 or more in a portfolio. Deposits must be made before June 5th. Once activated, the airdrop will appear in your Satoshi balance. You must remain fully invested for at least 30 days to redeem. Now, I was thinking about this. I was like, how dope would it be to invest $25 into Bitcoin, and then 30 days later, you get $25 into Bitcoin after 30 days. How dope would that be? But I also want to look at, let me see. Oh, dang it. It's not showing. Yeah, it's not showing here. Oh, you can view a roadmap. Oh, this might be the airdrops that might be coming later on. So right now we in 50%. Okay, let me go back. But I was trying to show y'all the deposit how to deposit Bitcoin, but I guess it's not allowing me. It's not showing up. But it's okay. Probably tomorrow I will be able to show y'all what it says about the withdrawal. Because on the withdrawal, you allowed to withdraw every month. Oh, it's June 1st, so you got to allow a couple of days for everybody to move their boost over to the wallet into Ember. But one thing that I do need to do, I'm still thinking about it. I do want to invest $25 and get this plus 83.6K Satoshis. But I think I'm going to stick to the regular and invest to my Ember DeFi index. So I'm going to go and invest my, First, I got to buy Bitcoin. So go to Bitcoin, deposit. I got to click deposit funds, buy Bitcoin. And you can do it. No, I want to buy Bitcoin. You can do it with Apple Pay. So let me do my $25. So it's going to cost an automatic $30. Just processing my order. Alrighty, we good. So now we got $30. No, we cancel now. Go back to Ember and wait for this to load in. Well, it's already right there. My bad. So now that that's right there, now we can come over here, invest in my portfolio. All of that go over there. And now we just wait for that to fill up, which normally take a couple of minutes. Alrighty, my portfolio is funded now. We're buying your portfolio. This can take a few hours to complete. So now, as that do that, now I could just kick back and relax and continue to mine free Bitcoin. Continue mining free Bitcoin. Let me see what's the weekly news looking like. You have earned $5 worth of Bitcoin. You can invest in these rewards. What would you like to see? Okay, this is what I was talking about with the withdrawal. So now that I know that I can invest my rewards with my Satoshis, I can invest it into a Bitcoin wallet. But now I think I'm going to just hold it and just keep going on for later. Hold on. I'm going to keep holding it for overall use to see my Satoshi build up. And then maybe I might do it later down. And what am I trying to say? Maybe I might do it later down the road. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I want to keep saying time. But yeah, this is how easy it is to mine free Bitcoin. But I really want to do this because this is pretty cool. Get an airdrop out of nowhere. And you might be wondering, what are Satoshis? So let's do Satoshi. See if I can spell it. Satoshi. Satoshis Bitcoin. To US dollars. There we go. One Satoshis is that price. Let me see. They got a converter right here. Here we go. So let's just say, how much is $10? It's 33,000 Satoshis. So in order for me to get $10 worth of Satoshis, it's going to have to be 33,000 Satoshis. And right now we currently have what? 124. So we currently have $5.71 worth. And yes, it might not seem much, but this is free. All I do is every 24 hours and click a button. That's the cool thing about this. You earning something rather than having to put your money up. All you're doing is pushing the button. That's the cool thing about this. And the more people that you share about it, the more people you tell about it, your Satoshis an hour grow. So that's one of the cool things about it. But that's all I want to say in today's video. I'll see y'all tomorrow, give y'all another update. And I think one of these days, I just want to get on live and just showcase and watch the Satoshis increase. I'm going to just put my phone and tablet up and just watch everything go up. What do y'all think about that? Yeah, let me know in the description. Well, let me know in the comment section down below if y'all want that. But I think I want to do that next week while I'm off. Probably for an hour just to see a full hour's worth. But I might do that for an hour. But I'll see y'all next video. Chase is out. Peace.